This is Brain Lion Institute, episode 88. What replaces excitement? When the system matures. Excitement belongs to activation. It spikes energy. It pulls attention. It creates movement fast. But excitement is expensive. It relies on novelty, on contrast, on chemical highs. When the nervous system matures, it no longer needs spikes to move forward. Excitement slowly fades and something quieter appears. Reliability. You do things without hype, without resistance, without internal negotiation. Energy flows without announcement. This can feel confusing at first. The mind asks, where is the spark? Where is the rush? But the system has upgraded. Instead of excitement, you get consistency. Instead of motivation, you get availability. Instead of peaks, you get endurance. This is not less alive. This is more usable. Mature energy does not shout, it shows up. You don't feel driven, you feel ready. If excitement is gone, nothing is missing. The system is no longer borrowing energy from tomorrow. It is running on what it actually has. Calm replaces hype. Theft replaces dopamine. Next episode. Why discipline becomes unnecessary after regulation. Thank you.